Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you some advanced tips and tricks for Marvel Snap so you can climb the ranks faster, outplay your opponents, and win more matches, even with lower-powered decks. First off, don't always play your best cards early. Sometimes it's better to save them for later turns to surprise your opponent or hit a location's ability at the perfect time. Next, learn how to counter location effects. For example, if you see on-reveal abilities, plan your plays around them, or use cards like Cosmo or Lockheed to maximize their impact. Here's a pro tip. Use low-cost cards to bait out opponent removals. Cards like Squirrel Girl or Gwenpool are cheap, but force your opponent to waste big tech on small targets. Don't forget to rotate your deck based on metas. If everyone's playing high-attack locations, switch to cards that buff other units or play around effects like Shang-Chi or Ironheart. Also, use card synergies wisely. Combos like Clea plus Magic, Thanos plus Black Panther, or Storm plus Sunspot can give explosive results if played correctly. And finally, know when to skip a location. If you're way behind on 2 of the 3 fields, sometimes it's smarter to focus all your power on one spot and try to win just one location big. So should you feel stuck in the higher ranks? Not anymore. Just follow these advanced plays, study your matchups, and keep improving. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to trick play in Marvel Snap. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.